First thing to do is education. Talk to your kids that these drugs are physically addictive, that the addiction to vicodin is no different than the addiction to heroin. They're both bad and they're both difficult to get off of, and they can both get you in a lot of trouble. I think the other thing to do in terms of talking to your kids about this is to talk about some of the hazards associated with drug use, such as going to jail. These are felony offenses for kids, and so you might wind up in juvenile hall. There's sexual assault that happens in jail, and this will definitely get teenagers' attention when you bring up these topics with them. I always tell parents, I think it's okay to look in your kids' rooms. I know you want to give them autonomy, but they are not living on their own. They're living in your house, and you need to go in there and make sure that they don't have drug paraphernalia. And you need to set limits. Most of the kids that have these serious drug problems are at the age where they drive. So the first thing you need to do is say, if you're going to use drugs, we're going to take away your car, and you can just take the bus everywhere. The car is the most important thing, and once a kid has that or has the ability to drive your car, limiting that is a very powerful tool. In more advanced cases where you can't talk to them and you cannot convince them and they continue to use drugs despite restrictions or other pleasure items taken away from them, is to seek professional drug counseling.